Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are tackling a question a lot of you have asked. Airtable or Google Sheets? Which one is better? Whether you're managing a small project, running a business, or just organizing your personal tasks, picking the right tool can make all the difference. Now, we will be comparing these two platforms on features, ease of collaboration, and how they can handle automation and integrations. Plus, we will give you tips on when you should use one over the other. And by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of which tools your workflow best. Ready to find out? Let's jump right in. Now, if you are a fan of our D Plus YouTube channel, you know that we have so many Airtable tutorials for you guys because we are here to help you solve your problems quickly. And if you haven't already, you might want to click the subscribe button to get notifications about our latest content. Now, I'm just going to run through a very quick summary of Airtable. Airtable is a cloud-based platform that combines the functionality of a spreadsheet and a database. Now, you have the option at the bottom left corner wherein it allows anyone, your team, your members, to create custom workflows, track projects, and manage databases without needing extensive technical knowledge, which is very handy. Now, of course, you can put in your title here. You can customize the interface because you have the tables and views. Now, data is stored in tables similar to spreadsheets, but with more customization. Users can create different views such as grid, calendar, gallery, Kanban, timeline, list, Gantt, in various ways. But the thing is, unlike traditional spreadsheets, Airtables allows users to link records, like this one, between tables, making it useful for managing more complex data sets. And in terms of the collaboration, Airtable supports real-time collaboration because multiple users, freelancers, your clients can work on the same database at once, add, comment, and update your records. Now, in terms of the integration, you see, it integrates various with a lot of popular tools such as, Slack, Workspace, Zapier, making it easier to automate workflows. All right, so that's one of the best features for Airtable. Now, I'm switching over to Google Sheets. Matter of fact, these two have a very seamless integrations, and we have a separate video on how to integrate Airtable with Google Sheets. I'm switching over to Google Sheets. Now, Google Sheets is the most popular platform free cloud-based application developed by Google, which allow users to create, edit, and collaborate on spreadsheets in real time. All right, so I know you are familiar already with Google Sheets, but if you are if it's your first time here, it is part of the Google Workspace, formerly known as G Suite, and it offers similar functionalities to Microsoft Excel, but with enhanced online collaboration and sharing features. All they have to do is click on the start free trial option, and from here, just follow the on-screen instructions. Once you have created your account here in Google Sheets, the first thing that we need to do is the spreadsheet creation. Now, if you are familiar with Microsoft Excel, Google Sheets enables users to create spreadsheets with rows, columns, and cells to organize and manipulate data. Now, you have all these templates for your disposal. You can start from a blank spreadsheet if you have more experience about working with the platform already. But if you wanted to work with something that the data is already available, you might want to click on these amazing templates. For example, I'm going to choose the, for now, attendance. Just wait for it to load. And of course, you can rename all of this. I'm going to put in some information here. You can work with cells, rows for more complex data management. Now, as you can see, it offers a real-time collaboration similarly to Airtable. When you click on the share button here on the upper right corner, multiple users can work on the same spreadsheet simultaneously, see changes in real time, and of course, leave comments. Now, when you hover to the upper right corner, there's going to be the share button. You can grant general access like restricted or anyone with link. All right. You can set it like a viewer, commenter, editor. And of course, now multiple users can leave comments or feedback, making it a popular tool for teams and remote collaboration. All right. There's a lot that you can work here because you can insert formulas, advanced tables, images, drawing, and a lot more. Now, here, files are automatically saved to Google Drive, allowing users to access their spreadsheets from any device with an internet connections, because Google Sheets also has an offline mode which lets you work without an internet connections and syncs changes later. Integration with Google Workspace, if you are a big fan of the Google Workspace ecosystems, all right, so basically Google Sheets is the right tool for you. Having said all of that, when you work with a data files, you have the option to download as Microsoft Excel on this format, CSV, PDF, and a lot more. You can also print the spreadsheet if you wanted. Now, I find it very useful if you are planning to use Google Sheets for tasks like financial modeling, project management, data analysis, inventory tracking. Plus, if you wanted to have a free option for spreadsheets. Now, on the other hand, I believe that Airtable is really best for teams or individuals who need a relational database like this one, because it can handle more complex data with a structured workflows and visual representations. All right. Now, the idea is that Airtable focuses more on managing relational data with multiple ways to visualize and automate processes, while Google Spreadsheet, if you wanted to have a flexible, simpler data management, quick calculations, or data analysis, especially if you're working within the Google Workspace ecosystem and want a familiar, easy-to-use tool for collaboration and data management. Similarly, users who need a simple spreadsheet for data entry, calculations, and basic data management for analysis, which is free for individual use via the Google's free account with limits on storage. I believe it's part of the 15 gigabyte free storage in Google Drive. Of course, Google Workspace pricing is available for businesses, which includes enhanced collaboration tools, storage, and more admin controls. You can always go to their official website on Google Workspace for Google Sheets, wherein if you wanted to get more of some of the information, you are welcome to do so. Similarly, you can do that on Airtable. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.